I would be sourcing from other countries. I would be going to India, Vietnam, South Korea, Taiwan, Mexico, domestically, whether that's in the USA or in Australia, wherever it may be, even Europe. The rate to get something, for instance, from Germany into America, so still a pretty big stretch of water separating those two places. It's $20,000 US to get it from China to America. It's about $6,000 to get it from Germany to America. Okay, that's the difference. That's kind of the crazy difference. Really, as far as international shipping goes, the crazy prices are any prices outside of China. In China. Outside of China, then it's maybe doubled, which is still a big increase, but relative to the 10x increase that it was from out of China, it's a lot lower. So I'd be looking to source anywhere other than China. And I think that's pretty clear that other businesses are definitely following that too. Let's see. Anybody else going to say Shanghai is shut due to COVID? Yeah, I spoke to some dudes over there. Shane from Sample Checkers was talking to me earlier last week about that. I hear they're reopening soon. I do not hear that Shanghai is reopening soon. That's not my understanding. To give you a timeline, based on what we've seen, the crazy prices out of China are here to stay, certainly for this year. So where are we now? May the 9th. So certainly for this year, crazy prices out of China, absolutely here to stay, as far as I've seen. Rob, I had solar panels arrive 9 months from the order. So it took Rob 9 months to get his stuff out of China, which is insane. Does India have an Alibaba equivalent? They do. So there's a couple of different things you can go to India Mart. That's pretty good out of India. The other place I'd also look at as well, if I'm going to source out of India, is Global Sources. I also do a lot of sourcing from here, or did when I was actually a real Amazon guru. Now I'm a fake Amazon guru. But back when I was a real one, I did my sourcing out of here too. Global Sources are great because, for me, what I would use Alibaba for was to find small production capacity. Brilliant for that. The big factories, though, what you need to find as soon as your business takes off, they're typically not so much on Alibaba. You find them in places like Global Sources more, or even, on the web, Global Sources, but really it's trade shows where you find those bigger factories. Anything else I would suggest as well? Thomasnet, I guess, is also good. A lot of good American manufacturers, Canadian also, South American manufacturers on Thomasnet, pretty good. So that's that side of the world, the Americas, that's covered there. So yeah, so India Mart, Global Sources, Thomasnet, that's where I'd be leaning to right now. But also keep in mind on Alibaba, you can also go look at, when you source something, you can put you can say that you want to go source in a particular place. Let's just set this up properly without doing a complete sourcing demonstration. You can actually say where you want your stuff to come out of as well. So that's worth checking out as well. So yes, you can still source on Alibaba, but just know that I don't know the exact number, but sometimes it feels like 85% of the factories on Alibaba are located in China, but there's 15% that aren't. Okay, so I'd definitely look at them too.